Retire like a genius. How to become a long-term care insurance genius. Long-term care insurance helps the policy owner pay for the costs associated with long-term care support and services. Long-term care insurance pays for care generally not covered by health insurance, Medicare, or Medicaid. Long-term care insurance benefits are typically triggered by a loss of 2 or more activities of daily living, or ADLs, such as dressing, bathing, eating, toileting, continence, transferring, and walking. People who would go on claim for long-term care insurance benefits would need to verify medical eligibility and, once approved, would typically need to wait for a 90-day elimination or wait period before benefits would begin. There are a variety of policy options that can cover home care, assisted living, adult daycare, respite care, hospice care, nursing home care, and memory care facilities. Long-term care insurance policies can be bought on an individual basis as either an LTC-specific policy or as a hybrid life and LTC insurance policy. A hybrid policy provides death benefit protection for the owner, but once a need for long-term care arises, the policy will convert into providing that coverage. If LTC coverage is never needed, the policy can be surrendered for its cash surrender value or kept in force to pay a death benefit in the future. As is always the case with purchasing insurance, the younger and healthier a person is when they buy the policy, the better their options and the more affordable premiums they will be able to obtain. Another option to cover long-term care needs is liquidating an unneeded or unwanted life insurance policy through an LTC life settlement, which will cover any form of care a person wants. Retire like a genius. It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. Visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.